Hey, do you want to learn how to download your Gemini conversation as a PDF file? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So first you need to go over to gemini.google.com, and then on the left-hand side, you're going to find your conversations. So just go inside one of these, and these are your chats here. Now, if you want, you can just go over here on the top right corner. You're going to find there's three dots. Click on it and you'll find download PDF file. Just press on it and it's going to give you the whole conversation that you've done here. It's going to show you that in this PDF format, which you can then print from here. Or if you go over here on the top, destination, you can click on this, give you a drop down. You'll find save as PDF right here. You can save it as a PDF file, change the layout and such, the more options, settings and everything, then save it. Yeah, just save it right here. And then I can open it and show you. There you go. This is the PDF that we just downloaded. You can take a look at it. This is how it's going to export. Now you can also just export a specific chat. For example, this right here. And if you want to do this, just need to press on this more button, which is going to show up on all of these chats here. So just press on this three dots and then you'll see this export to docs. Just press on it. And that is it. It has created it. And I can press on this open docs. And it's going to open it in a new Google Documents project. Right over here, you can see all of this. This is the chat that we just exported from here, export to docs. This process you can do on mobile as well, export to docs for each of these chats. But I think that you would not be able to do this process, download as PDF for the entire conversation. So if you want to do it on Gemini on mobile, that I think is not possible. You can only do this on computer on a browser. I'm sure if you go over to the browser and open up Gemini in your mobile browser, you should be able to see this option there as well. But yeah, if you're doing it on the mobile app, this should not be available. And yeah, that's it. That's how to export or download your Gemini conversation as a PDF file. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Google Gemini related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.